Good evening. Today I am going to make a lemon 7-Up cake. And I'm supposed to put this in a Bundt pan and put it in the oven, but my oven is quit working. So I'm gonna put it in my air fryer and cook it. I've never made a cake in an air fryer, but I'm gonna use a box of yellow cake mix. I'm going to use 3/4 cups of oil, and I've got a little bit of lemon juice in there. I've got 3/4 cups of 7-Up. I've got lemon put it in pie filling, instant. Get this stirred up. Let me cut my phone off. It never fails. I'll just cut it off. I'm going to go ahead and turn my air fryer on. Get it done. I got it air fryer going. Okay. And I'm going to put 4 eggs in there. Get the air fryer heating up. I've cooked everything in my air fryer, but I never made a cake. I made cooked some donuts in there one time. Get the eggs stirred up. I won't be able to cook this all at one time. I'll have to make 2 loaves out of it. But my oven went out on my stove. But I've got a sun oven. I could wait till tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain for the next 6 days, and that wouldn't be good enough to use my sun oven. It wouldn't cook. It wouldn't cook. I've already got my pan that goes in my air fryer, greased and floured. Just hold on a minute. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to put some foil in the bottom. I forgot to cut paper. I've got a parchment paper in here. That way it didn't come out good. But I'm going to make 2 of those. Alright, then I'm going to put this in the stove. Put it in the air fryer. And I'll bring you back when it gets done. Alright, while that's cooking, I'm going to make the glaze on it. I've got a cup of confectioner's sugar. And I've got 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in here. Cook about 10 minutes and I tuck it out, and it wasn't done, so I put it back in there for a few more minutes. Alright, I've got it out. I've got to let it cool before I can take it out of the pan. But it took me about 35-40 minutes to cook it in there. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I've got another video coming out. And thank you so much. Y'all have a good day.